Your carry-on could get you stopped, detained, or worse, kicked off your flight in 2025, even if it sailed through security last year. While you're dreaming of smooth airport experiences, airlines and TSA are quietly implementing new restrictions designed to catch you off guard and drain your wallet. Most passengers are walking into costly traps they never see coming, from shrinking overhead bins to power bank confiscations that happen daily. What you're about to learn could change how you fly, forever. Let's find out. Number 1. The overhead bin shrinkage scam. Most passengers don't realize that airlines have been quietly shrinking overhead bin dimensions across their fleets. Your trusty 22 by 14 by 9 inch bag that worked perfectly last year might not fit in 2025, especially on regional jets and budget carriers. Airlines aren't advertising this change because they're banking on gate fees when your bag suddenly doesn't fit. When this happens, walk up to the gate agent and say, "I'd like to check the exact bin measurements for this aircraft model before boarding." This forces them to either prove the bins are regulation size or admit they're smaller. If they can't accommodate your standard carry-on, demand they waive the gate check fee. Pro tip: always use a soft-sided bag with compression zippers. Unlike hard cases, they can squeeze into tighter spaces and adapt to irregular bin shapes. Think that's sneaky? Wait until you see how they're targeting your electronics. Number 2. The power bank confiscation trap. Airlines prefer you don't know that TSA agents are now actively checking power bank labels for capacity ratings. If your power bank shows more than 100 watt-hours or 27,000 milliamp hours, it's getting confiscated. No exceptions, no appeals. Even worse, if the label is worn off or unreadable, they'll assume it's over the limit and toss it. Here's what to say when the TSA questions your power bank. This is clearly labeled under 27,000 milliamp hours and intended for personal electronic devices only. Keep a photo of the original packaging on your phone as backup proof. Pro tip: buy power banks that display TSA approved or flight safe on the packaging. These manufacturers specifically design them well under limits and use clear, permanent labeling. But here's where most travelers get blindsided at the gate. Number 3. The Smart Water Bottle Security Alert. Here's what TSA won't tell you. Certain reusable water bottles are now getting flagged as security risks, even when completely empty. Thick-walled stainless steel bottles, especially those with hidden compartments or unusual shapes, trigger extra screening because they can conceal prohibited liquids. Some travelers are losing 50-plus bottles daily. When TSA flags your bottle, immediately say, "This is a standard reusable water bottle with no hidden compartments." I'm happy to demonstrate that it's completely empty. Open it fully and shake it to show there's nothing inside. Pro tip: switch to clear or translucent collapsible bottles that fold flat when empty. They pass through X-ray machines without question and take up minimal space when not in use. This next secret? It's the one airlines really don't want discussed. Number 4. The Smart Luggage Battery Ban. Most passengers don't realize their high-tech smart luggage could be completely banned from flights if the battery isn't removable. TSA has zero tolerance for built-in lithium batteries that can't be quickly accessed in emergencies. This rule is catching travelers at check-in who suddenly can't use their expensive smart bags. If questioned about your smart luggage, tell the agent, "The battery is completely removable and I can demonstrate this right now." Then physically show them how to detach the power bank. Keep the battery with you in your carry-on. Pro tip: before traveling, practice removing your smart luggage battery quickly. Some models require specific steps or tools. Know them by heart to avoid delays. Now, this might surprise you about timing your flights. Number 5. The August Flight Price Secret. Airlines don't want you to discover that August has become the cheapest month to fly, but only for those who know the exact booking window. Late August flights are up to 15% cheaper than July or September because shifting school schedules created an unexpected low-demand period. But this window closes fast. When calling airlines for quotes, say, "I'm looking for mid to late August departures, and I'm flexible on exact dates for the best price." This signals you know about the pricing dip and want their lowest fares. Pro tip: book August flights between June 15th and July 10th for maximum savings. After July 15th, prices start climbing back up for Labor Day demand. Here's the mistake that costs passengers the most: very fast. But before that, if you're still here, you clearly care about flying smarter and avoiding costly airport traps. Do me a favor, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss insider secrets like these. And trust me, the biggest game changers are still ahead. Number 6. The packing pattern red flag. Here's what TSA won't tell you. Their scanners now analyze how you pack, not just what you pack. Dense, cluttered bags trigger automatic manual searches because X-ray can't penetrate properly. This means public unpacking, long delays, and potential missed flights for something completely preventable. When your bag gets flagged for density, calmly tell the agent, "I'm happy to help organize this for easier inspection. Would you prefer I remove electronics first?" This shows cooperation and speeds up the process. Pro tip: use packing cubes to create air gaps between items. TSA scanners need space between objects to identify them quickly. Dense packing equals automatic delays. Ready for the kicker about carry-on limits? Here it comes. Number 7. The multiple personal item crackdown. Airlines prefer you don't know they've deployed AI-powered cameras and handheld scanners to catch passengers trying to bring multiple personal items. That purse, laptop bag, and shopping bag combo that used to work. It's now getting flagged immediately, often resulting in forced bag checks and fees exceeding your ticket price. If confronted about excess items, say, "I understand the policy is one personal item. Can I consolidate these items into one bag before boarding?" Then use your largest bag to contain the others. Pro tip: bring a foldable tote bag inside your backpack. After security, you can expand it to carry extra items without violating pre-boarding rules. Ignore this next one, and your entire trip could be ruined. Number 8. The 311 liquid rule trap. Most passengers don't realize that TSA's 311 rule has expanded to include items you'd never consider liquids. Peanut butter, gels, pastes, and even some makeup now count as liquids. Plus, they're cracking down harder on containers that are even slightly oversized, regardless of how full they are. When the TSA questions your toiletries, say, "These are all travel-size containers under 3.4 ounces in my regulation quart bag. Have your clear bag easily accessible and organized for quick inspection." Pro tip: take a photo of your toiletry bag before traveling. If items get confiscated, you'll know exactly what to replace and can file complaints with documentation. This next part, it's a deal breaker at boarding. Number 9. The electronics removal test. Here's what TSA won't tell you. They're watching to see if you know proper security procedures, and leaving electronics in your bag is now considered a major red flag. They view this as either ignorance or attempted concealment, leading to thorough bag searches and potential additional screening. Always tell TSA agents proactively, "I have electronics in separate bins as required." This shows you understand the rules and are complying voluntarily rather than being caught. Pro tip: pack all electronics in one compartment with easy access. Use a tech organizer pouch that unzips completely flat so you can remove everything in one motion. Here's the last one, and trust me, it's the most important. Number 10. The lithium battery disaster. Airlines don't want you to know that improperly packed lithium batteries are the number one reason entire carry-ons get confiscated or passengers miss flights. Loose batteries, damaged batteries, or unlabeled batteries can result in immediate bag removal and potential flight bans. TSA doesn't negotiate on this rule. If questioned about batteries, immediately say, "All my lithium batteries are in original packaging or protective cases in my carry-on only." properly, labeled with their specifications. Show them your battery organization system. Pro tip: keep a small hard case specifically for loose batteries with foam padding. Label each battery's capacity with clear tape and your contact information in case they fall out. So, which airport trap are you avoiding first, and what's your own carry-on hack that saved you time or money? Drop it in the comments so we can all travel smarter. Speaking of smart travel, you'll want to see my next video about TSA pre-check secrets. They don't tell you during enrollment. Hit like, share this with a traveler who needs it, and subscribe to join thousands of savvy flyers who refuse to overpay. Until next time, clear skies.